Hello, Cheryl. I just received your letter, and I am very happy that you received my package, and it's really nice to know that you like it, everything. And you asked about threads like purple, also teal colors, and also you really like this dress, Amelie. So I decided to make for you this presentation because right now I have really awesome, unique two VIP packages, only one VIP package in each color. They're really special, and I want to say that it's hard for me to find right now threads for my store because it's war in Ukraine, but some threads I can find, and right now I have I created two VIP packages. I want to show you threads and I want to explain everything. So maybe you will like one of them, and I will give you links with 20% discount. If you will like one of them, you can place your order. If not, it's really okay. Don't worry. Just these threads are really incredible, and you want to have purple colors, for example. That's why I decided to offer you this VIP package. So VIP package includes magazine. This is just picture with elements and with dress, but you will get magazine with all colored schemes. Also, you will get. I will show you a fabric pattern for another dress. I have it in your size. I will create for you fabric pattern. So you will have this. For example, it can be black or white. Depends what threads we are using. And you will get also magazine, USB flash drive with all lessons inside, a crochet hook, and also yarn kit. And we have right now this awesome purple. It has very light, this one, it's light lilac, light purple, a very beautiful thread. I created a lot of collections by using this thread. It's Garus, and it's 100% viscose. Just when you work with it, you need to open it in the middle. I will show you right now. I have one skein open. So you need to open it, place it on the floor, and just you can draw these threads from here, from the middle, and work with it. This thread has 500 meters in one ball, so you need to use only one thread and crochet hook that I will send to you 1.7 millimeters. This thread is high quality, a little bit shiny, silky, soft, and this is light lilac color, really perfect. We have here, this is the main color, 500 grams, yes, of this thread. After we have second color is really perfect together with first one because it's more intensive, and these two colors together are really awesome. Just look to them, they are really perfect together. Lilac, and after this more intensive. This we have two balls like this. And after we have also intensive purple. I will show you closer. Just in element you can see it. We have one skein just to create a beautiful design of our flowers and else elements. So we have this intensive. You can see it here in our kit. It's Sapphire Luxe. Also you need to use one thread and crochet hook 1.7 millimeters. Here in the middle I used this Garus, yes, this more intensive purple, and petals I made from the most light, and this I really advise to use like a main color. And also we have second element where I changed placement, just changed color design, but I use the same threads. We have here intensive color in the middle. After we have this light purple and this light lilac, such flower talisman. And also we have incredible multicolored thread Shelby. It has also light purple, lilac, also very beautiful like silver. It's just a perfect thread for this kit. By using this thread you need to make joinings between elements in the skirt, also edgings around the neckline, armhole lines, and also we have decorative cords here at the front of the dress. Like you can see, we have here multicolored thread between elements and also edgings like this. But also VIP package includes samples of elements, and for you I really can make a lot of elements. I will show you just this dress I am making for my client right now, just dress, not VIP package, and I will show you what elements we have there. So we have the main color here is pink. I will show you now. Such a beautiful Italian viscose in pink color. Already I sold out this color, it's light pink. Next you will get elements like this, samples. We have motif Dion, motif Daphne, like this. After we have flower with wings, also very beautiful element with wings like this. And next we have beautiful big flowers with different color design, just in colors of this kit, yes, for my client. Like this we have elements. And more motifs, also decorative cords are ready to use. I will use them to decorate this skirt at the front side. And I already made this bottom part. I made beautiful grids and beautiful fringes and everything I joined together. This all lace is very soft, a little bit shiny, high quality, and a little bit heavy. It's perfect for hot weather, and it looks really great when you walk. It's just incredible thread. It's a little bit elastic. That's why you don't have to make any zippers or buttons. Very easily you can wear this dress, and it's really perfect. I think, yes, a lot of people don't know about this moment. That's why I love this viscose thread, because it's really perfect for dresses, blouses, tops. It's a perfect thread. And for hot weather, it's really incredible because you can wear this dress for some special event or during your holidays, and you will feel yourself just beautiful, unique, and comfortable. I know it from my, just from my life, because I am wearing these dresses for special events. Also, I am making some projects for holidays, and it can be blouse, tunic, or skirt, and it's really perfect. So you will get a lot of samples of elements with this VIP package. I think I can make for you ready one fringe. I will make more flowers for you, motifs. So you will have like half of motifs ready inside of this package. Like this it works. And also fabric patterns, this is a main thing that you need to have, because from this pattern depends what dress you will get. By using my fabric pattern, your dress will fit to your figure just perfectly. I know this from my practice already 20 years, and I made more than 500 dresses, so I know how to make it, yes, how to make it right. So this kit, only one available, 1000 grams, plus elements you will get also, yes, like it's like additional also thread. So you will get this all, and you can use 20% discount. This also price already includes shipping cost by UPS delivery company. And a second kit I just want to show you because I only have one, and it's so beautiful. Let's just look to this. I know it's another dress, but it's incredible. I want to have dress like this. So let's look to another one. It's a dress lil. It's like cocktail dress, and I just made it. It's incredibly tender transition of colors. Just look to this beautiful threads. We have like 3 colors only. More intensive and shiny turquoise. After it's matte viscose but very soft and high quality. It's a little bit lighter. And next we have ivory. And together you can see it's like, it's fantastic design. I will show you closer. We have really big wedge. It's very soft. It's beautiful. I think this combination of colors is just perfect. It's incredible. And just imagine a full dress made in such colors. It will be like sea dress, and it's turquoise and ivory. These colors are perfect for any girl, any woman, because these colors, they suit to all people, I think. I know it also because especially when we use ivory, it looks great on any client. I know it because we sell dresses in the store, so this color is perfect. But this combination is incredibly tender and magical, I think. And we have kit like this. It's for dress. I will show you this dress. It's dress lil, cocktail dress with small sleeves, but you will make them together if you will choose this crochet cos together, yes, with this all part of dress. You don't have to join them, just you need to place elements, join them, and you will have ready small sleeves like this. Next, it's like size length approximate 1 meter, but you can change it, yes. And we have design. This time it will be just awesome because it will be very delicate. And we should create this long lace ribbons with transition of colors. Also, this will be magical, I think. And the most dark color in our case will be this shiny turquoise. So it will be not so dark. It will be very light. It will be very tender. And we have 3 colors. So this kit also includes journal with schemes. I have it here. Also fabric pattern in your size. A journal with all schemes inside. We have here all information all schemes, yes, like this. Also, this USB flash drive, crochet hook, full crochet course inside, all video tutorials, PDF lessons, colored schemes, instructions in English, and also kit. This kit has 1000 grams. It's more than you need for this dress, because for this dress you need around 700 grams. Yes, so you will have more threads. You can create something else also from these threads. It can be a summer top. 300 grams is really enough. So like this kit is only one available. And if you want to place order, also you will have 20% discount. I will send you these two links. If you like any of them, you can order. If you don't like, just it's really okay, don't worry. And once again, thank you so much for your big order previews. Yes, it was really big support for our team. Thank you so much. I wish you big inspiration, gorgeous results, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.